Hi John, good evening.
Yes, hello po. Good evening po.
Good evening sa John. Sige John, kwentuhan mo na ako anong may paglilingkod ko kay John at napatawag po sa Usapang LDR.
Nais ko lang pong ibahagi yung um, relationship na
Alright. Medyo ano tayo, robotic lang yung line natin John if makakahanap tayo ng mas stable na signal para tuloy-tuloy tayo.
hello po.
Ayan, goods na. O sige, ano ikukwento mo John? Go ahead.
Um, Nais ko lang po sanang ibahagi yung naging karanasan ko dun sa ex ko. Actually, mahal na mahal ko naman po talaga siya hanggang ngayon. Ang nangyari po kasi is meron po akong friend na best friend ko na nasa Saudi dati.
Mhm.
Um, Habang actually kami meet lang din po namin nung ex ko dati na itago na lang natin sa pangalang Aki. Si Aki kasi ay kababata ko lang din po. Naging kami nung last year, November po ata. Sweet naman po siya at naging maganda din po yung pagsasama namin. 3 months po na lumipas ay naipakilala ko po siya sa isang best friend ko na nasa Saudi.
Mhm.
Um, um, 2 months before darating yung best friend ko, pinakilala ko po siya. Kasi magbabalik bayan po kasi yung best friend ko. Hindi ko naman po alam na dati naman pala silang nagchat na dalawa. So, hanggang sa dumating po yung best friend ko from Saudi na magkakilala pala sila at ito yung pinakamasakit sa akin na si Aki na pinakamamahal ko na two-timer kaming dalawa. So talagang yung masakit DJ nung dumating yung best friend ko na meron palang sila at meron din yung kami. Kaya yun talaga yung pinakamasakit. So para sa akin talagang hindi kayang tumbasan yung sakit na naramdaman ko nung nalaman ko po yung ganon. So, pero hanggang ngayon, mahal na mahal ko pa rin naman si Aki. Yun nga lang, hindi na kami halos nag-uusap at hindi na rin po kami masyadong nagkikita. Pero friends naman po kami sa FB. Gusto ko lang malaman niya na mahal ko pa siya kung gusto niyang bumalik. Pero
Sila pa rin ba ng best friend mong isa? Anong nangyari sa
um,
relationship ninyo ng best friend mo?
nag-usap pa naman po kami nung best friend ko ngayon. Pero ewan ko kung meron pa po ba sila. Kasi last na nagkita po kami, ang nababalitaan ko po is hindi din po ata sila nagtagal. Dahil nga po dun sa, yun, kinumpron ko naman po yung best friend ko na ganito. Kaya yun po.
Okay, pero none of you guys think na the problem is not with the two of you but with the girl?
Yes po.
Okay, and then both of you are still willing to sacrifice yung friendship ninyo just for this girl?
Hindi naman po. Nag-usap po kami ng best friend ko na hindi ko po sisirain yung pagkakaibigan namin dahil lang sa kanya.
Okay. But
At hindi niya din po alam at hindi ko din po alam. So wala po kaming naging kasalanan doon. So si Aki talaga yung may kasalanan doon.
okay, and then you just said na if ever na available ka pa or okay ka pa, pwede kang bumalik, andito lang ako. What's that about? I mean, come on,
Kasi
dude.
DJ,
Tinutime ka ng tao with your own best friend.
kaya nga DJ.
Oo.
Pero sa totoo lang po DJ, nagka-relationship po ako. High school pa po ako last 2012 and for how many years? Ngayon lang din po ako ulit umibig ng 2018 at talagang sa kanya lang talaga umikot yung mundo ko. Hindi ko din po talaga alam na ganun po yung
Sa loob ng 3
mangyayari.
months?
3 months po, DJ.
Oo nga eh. I mean, I'm not doubting or I'm not basing the depth of your relationship with the amount of time you spent together. But for you kasi to claim na sa kanya umikot yung mundo mo sa loob lang ng 3 months with a girl na there's still so much for you to learn about. And then after 3 months, you were given a blessing in disguise na nagkaalaman na she's been cheating not only to you but to your best friend as well. And alam mo yun, kumbaga, kung meron man factors that you need to consider para hindi mo na gustuhin yung tao, para kalimutan yung tao completely, even if after all these years na hindi ka nagmahal, ngayon na lang ulit tumibok yung puso mo, that should be the biggest one of them. Sa mga rason na yon. A cheating person, a lying person. Biruin mo, hindi niya alam na mag-best friend kayo, or even if alam niya na may mag-best friend kayo, both sides nun, John, it's still wrong. First, sa loob ng 3 months na yan, hindi niya alam kung sino yung best friend ng boyfriend niya. Or kung alam niya man, ipinagpatuloy niya pa yung pang-2 time niya sa inyong dalawa with the knowledge ng mag-best friend kayong dalawa. 'Di ba? How evil can that be? I'm not saying that you shouldn't be sabihin na natin giving this person a chance, or hindi mo na dapat binibigyan pa ng pagkakataon to o ino-open yung sarili mo sa kanya, but I just want you to wake up. Na what she did is beyond wrong. It's evil, kuya. You don't even know kung yung best friend mo na apparently nalamatan niya ay best friend mo pa rin up until this day. Kasi kung hindi mo nga alam kung sila pa o hindi na, ibig sabihin na yung best friend mo is no longer your best friend. Wala na kayong kamustahan or wala na kayong update sa isa't isa. Baka in denial ka na lang na this girl ended yung pagiging mag-best friend ninyong dalawa. Nagigets mo yung point ko, kuya?
Yes po.
Oh, if there's any relationship that you should be saving right now, it's not your relationship with the girl, but your relationship mo with your best friend.
Actually, na-message ko po siya that time na para sa sabi ko po para lang po hindi masira yung pagkakaibigan na mahal ko yung best friend ko as talagang best friend ko. Pero kaya kong magparaya para sa inyong dalawa. Sinabi ko po yun sa kanya dati. At
yun nga eh, the keyword here is dati. Ibig sabihin, wala na kayong update. Up until now, hindi mo alam kung sila pa ba. Up until now, anong update sa kanila? Anong nangyari? Naging okay ba sila? Naging hindi ba? After a few months ba? Nung nalaman ninyong dalawa na pinagsasabay kayong dalawa, he eventually broke up with her as well. Kumbaga, the keyword here is dati. Ibig sabihin, you no longer have a connection with your best friend.
Nag-uusap naman po kami ng best friend ko ngayon, pero wala naman po siyang binabanggit sa akin about dun sa past relationship na nangyari po.
Okay, then maybe you guys are not best friends after all. Oh, so, kuya, kung merong patutunguhan tong pag-uusapan natin, what would be your question? Is this a, sabihin na natin, on-air call for the girl? I mean, are you trying to get her attention? That's the reason why you called? Para if ever na she is still single, she can contact you? Ito ba yun?
Po.
Ha?
Pero, opo, hindi ko naman po alam kung nakikinig po siya ngayon, pero nais ko lang sabihin sa kanya na yun nga po, minahal ko siya ng sobra at matagal ko po kasi akong bago ma-inlove ulit sa ibang tao after po ng nangyari. Taon po talaga, so ang hirap po talaga pumili ng taong mamahalin.
Di naman kasi pinipili yun, kuya. Dumadating yun sa buhay mo, someone that can show you that you are now ready to love again. Maybe the reason why you are still not over this story is because no one has yet come your way. to tell you na, hey, it's okay. Kung na two-time ka before, that only means na the reason why you guys did not work out because you were meant for someone better. You were meant for someone else. And maybe that someone else is me. Hindi kasi yan hinahanap, kuya, hindi din yan pinipili. Darating yan ng kusa kapag tama na yung panahon. Darating yan ng kusa kapag natuto ka na ding mag-let go. Pero apparently, you are not yet ready to let go, John. How many years has it been?
Itong ilang months pa lang po eh. Nung mga mag-half a year na po.
So 6 months. Tas hanggang ngayon, you are calling my show in order to let her know that you are still available. Ganon.
Yes po.
Ang pathetic naman pala. So sorry kuya ha, I don't have any better term for that but pathetic. Napaka-pathetic nun. Para ka nagmamakaawa dun sa babaeng nanloko sa'yo na, sige na, kahit lokohin mo lang ako uli, oh.
Madali naman po kasing magpatawad pero minsan mahirap makalimot.
Di ba ang pathetic nga ng ginagawa mo? I mean, the girl is not even asking for another chance with you. You are giving her something she is not asking for. Kung doon pa lang sa moment na chinit or tinutime kayong dalawa, ikaw talaga yung mahal niya, she could have just chosen you. Sinabi niya sana sa best friend mo na, I'm so sorry I played with you. I'm so sorry I've done wrong things with you. But I'm so sorry, mahal ko si John. That's not the case, kuya. Sigurado ka bang nagparaya ka? Kasi parang di ka naman yata nagparaya, ni-let go ka. Kasi kung talagang kuya mahal ka niya, kung ikaw talaga yung gusto niya, at kung pagpaparaya talaga yung ginawa mo, kuya, sana may moment na hinabol ka niya. Sana may moment na nagmakaawa siya yung kunin siya pabalik kasi ikaw yung mahal niya.
Para sa akin po is nagparaya po ako. Pero may time po kasi na nagpaparamdam po siya na talagang gusto niyang bumalik. Pero hindi pa po kasi ako ready na mag-usap kami ulit or magkita kami ulit. As in, iba kasi talaga yung feeling ng nasasaktan talaga.
Tas ngayon, kukunin mo siya pabalik? Ngayon, tables have turned. Ikaw na yung parang nagmamakaawang bumalik siya sa buhay mo. Telling her na, I'm available, baka gusto mong bumalik, I'm here na, I'm ready. Kuya, John, ganito, listen to me, it's pathetic. What you are doing right now is very pathetic. It's not romantic. It's pathetic. Para ka nagmamakaawa dun sa babaeng nanloko sa'yo. Nalokohin ka ulit. If that girl really wants you, she'll never stop. Until makausap ka niya. Until magkaroon siya ng chance mag-explain sa'yo. Knowing who you are and how you are as a person. Na you are very kind-hearted, soft-hearted. She could have just at least waited for you. Pero she did not.
Opo.
Right now, she's MIA. That's the reason why you went to my program because there's no way for you to reach her. That's the reason you used my program to send a message across. See how pathetic it is? Parang binubuksan mo yung sarili mo para masaktan lang ulit. Diba, kuya, parang you've waited so long to find someone that you can actually love and will love you back. Tas ito na yon. So yung years of waiting mo, is it worth it? Sa babaeng katulad nito? Worth it yung pag-save mo sa sarili mo for how many years? Of not falling in love? Of not getting into a relationship? Sa isang babaeng sa unang 3 buwan pa lang nagawa ka ng lokohin? With no one else but your best friend? Is it worth it?
Hindi po.
So are you ready to waste more of your years trying to find kung nasan yung babaeng yon? Ikaw na nagsabi, childhood something mo na siya. Ibig sabihin, way back, kilala mo na siya. Meron kayong roots. Sana man lang nagkaroon siya ng hiya, di ba? Kasi kababata mo na siya eh. Pero hindi eh. Talo-talo pa rin talaga eh. So wake up, John. I mean, hindi naman siya siguro ganun ka-stunning. Para habol-habulin mo ng ganyan. And even if she is not really the type of person na kailangan mong habulin ng ganyan. If she wants to be back in your life, she will find a way to be back in your life. She will prove to you that she has changed. Na nagbago na siya and she is now a better version of her. Pero hindi eh. It's not the case eh. It's like dahil hindi na siya nagpaparamdam, nung mga moment na nagpapahabol ka, humahabol naman siya kahit papano. Nung tumigil yung paghabol niya, na-realize mo na, di na siya humahabol. Wait lang. Ako na maghahabol. Sayang eh. Ang pangit, di ba?
Opo.
So, wag kang maghabol ng ganyan, John. If, sabihin na natin, if on the next few months, mag-cross uli yung landas ninyo, both of you were given yet another chance to meet each other again. And this time around, both of you are single and you are sure about it na single siya at wala siyang pananagutan or wala siyang ka-fling or wala siyang kachata na any of your friends apparently. Maybe you can start over again. Pero wag sa ganitong paraan. Naintindihan mo ko, love?
Yes po.
Again, itong gesture na to, if I am the girl, I appreciate it. If I'm other girl looking in, I appreciate the gesture. But I do not see it romantic. I see it as pathetic. Hindi siya yung kahuli-huli ang babaeng may in love sa'yo, John. You look good. You look so decent. You are sweet. You are soft-hearted. And I know for sure, this girl is not gonna be the last girl who'll fall in love with you. Pero if ever na mag-effort ka ng ganyan, let the girl be deserving of it. Apparently, the girl is not. And I want you to wake up na hindi siya deserving sa effort mong yan. Hindi siya yung tipo ng babaeng bibigyan mo ng mensahe sa radyo kasi sayang. Naiintindihan mo ko, love?
Yes po.
Oh, if you want to confess your love to the world, let the girl be deserving of it. Apparently, she is not the type of girl that deserves a confession of love on air. Sayang sa kanya to. Knowing na pinindeho niya kayong mag-best friend, it's not really good. Kasi even if yung best friend mo ay nakakausap mo, it's not the same. Hindi na yun pareho. May lamat na yung friendship ninyo. Whether you like it or not, whether may kasalanan kayo sa nangyari o hindi o wala. Just the thought that you shared one girl. Diba? Bros before, forgive me for saying this, but it's the saying of the boys. Bros before hoes eh. Apparently, you guys were played by this girl. Okay? So, John, sabi ko nga sa'yo, she is not a girl that deserves a confession of love on air or a message on air. I'll just leave it, sabihin na natin na ganun yung pinag-usapan natin. Next time, John, wag mong isipin na kailangan mong habulin yung taong nagmamahal or nagmahal sa'yo or you had something with, kung minahal ka ba talaga, you had something with just because you think na yun na yung last na tao na magmamahal sa'yo. I'm telling you, John, with your personality and with the way you handle a relationship and with the way you love, you can find a better girl than that. Much better pa sa kanya. Much na better pa. So, ganun ka bongga. Higit na sa kanya. Kaya don't settle for less. You don't deserve something like that, okay? Maraming salamat, John, for calling my program. Ingat ka lagi, love.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.